calculate the area between f of x equal to e at x and cosine of x. Then the x's and the vertical lines that are x is equal to minus p halves and x is equal to p halves. This is our graph, and the x-intercepts are minus pi halves and p halves. And this is our rectangle, and this side is called A, and to find A, we resolve this, and the result is P over A.
Okay, we have to solve our integral, that is e to x cosine of x, and we have our u and du. But we know that the du isn't in the integral, so we need this formula, and we have to solve dv and v. The v is the integral of dv. So we come back in our formula, and then we substitute these values in this formula, and we solve it. And then we notice that we can solve this, so we use the same formula again. So we have like u and du and dv and v. So we substitute again, and we know that it's cyclic because we have the first integral inside our integral. And then we solve again, and we have like minus the integral, so we have two integrals, it's equal this. And then we have to calculate the p halves and minus p halves. Okay, we have to evaluate in our integral p halves and minus p halves, and we have this integral. So with the other process, we know that this is our final integral where we have to evaluate. So we have like the first part we have to evaluate with p halves, and the second part is minus the same integral but evaluated with minus p halves. So we just substitute the values and we do it in the calculator, and we have like 1/2 that passes the same. It's all this term is equal to 4.94, and all this term is equal to 0.01 and the rest of the numbers. And then we solve this in the calculator again, and we have these results. So we multiply it by 1/2, and we have that the area of our the rectangle is 2.47 u squared.
After this project, it can be concluded that it's very important to mention the importance of the fundamental theorem of calculus. There are many applications for defining integrals, such as customer earnings. Using the curve of demand of economics, a formula can be deduced. This formula shows the amount which the customer obtains a benefit or a profit from an open system that does not have price discrimination.